Good morning, guys.
Good morning. We are got up this morning after a really bad rainstorm last night, and we didn't get real good sleep, but we decided to come to Gabby's and have some breakfast so nobody had to cook. So you ready to go eat?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All
I'm
right.
so hungry.
Yeah, me too. All right.
Let's go inside.
All right, here's Gabby's. Ours cute in her little summer dress.
Unboxing the Starlink.
We finally received our Starlink. I was thinking I got scammed.
Yeah.
I'm so excited that I didn't get scammed.
So you're happy now that
Yes.
you are not scammed?
Yes. I want to have faith in people. I don't want to. I don't know how to open this.
Just got it. Let us see what's inside.
Yeah, guys.
I don't know.
Let's hope I didn't get scammed.
What if it's a scam? Oh. Oh, what is that?
It's nothing. It's a cardboard box.
What? Okay. I was so scared.
Starlink.
And
I guess that's it.
so how can you pay every month? How
When I get this up on the roof, I activate it, and then
in your phone?
yeah, I activate it, and then I will set it up to auto pay. Starlink every month.
Oh, okay. Okay guys, this is the Starlink finally for how many weeks? 3 weeks or 1 month?
It's been 3 weeks since.
Ah, okay.
This is the directions.
I think so. There's a
Starlink
wire.
sticker. This is the router. No Ethernet.
Huh?
No Ethernet.
What Ethernet? What is Ethernet?
What hooks everything up.
You don't have?
Well, I don't need it. I broke down and ordered a Starlink system. I tried several different local Wi-Fi systems here at the house. Dito worked pretty well, but it turned out that we were using quite a bit of load. So I decided that for a little bit more money per month and for the added reliability, that Starlink was the way to go. So I ordered it, and I'm going to show you what it looked like, because I got it in, and we got it temporarily installed just to make sure it's going to work, and it's working fantastic. Okay, here I am up on my upper deck, and this is where I temporarily set the Starlink. I haven't mounted it to the roof yet. But the dish aligned as soon as I plugged it in. Temporarily ran the cord down and into the house. And I'll show you a speed test on everything here in a bit. But this is really a game changer as far as speeds go. We didn't have anything near this type of a speed for streaming movies, watching YouTube, uploading our videos. Should be much better. So there's a quick update on what the Starlink is gonna look like. I still haven't decided. I'll tell you what, guys. We originally put this roll roofing material up here because we thought we were going to have like a sunroof and not have the roof underneath. I really think I'm going to change this. I talked to Adrian and told him that I really think that I want to go ahead and put a metal roof on this to match the rest of the house. I just kind of don't like the looks of it when I'm up here. I like the looks of the metal roofing much better. And if I do that and I put the metal roofing here, this dish will go here because it has a clear view of the sky, and this will be the easiest place to put it and then run the cable. Will be easy. And to put the router system will be easy as well. Well, our pool looks good. They came and put 2 huge bags of salt in here, and we've been running it for 3 days now. And it indicates that we still need a little more salt. So I'm gonna go back down to the pool supply company and I'm gonna purchase some salt and add to the pool. But boy, it looks good. And I vacuumed it this morning. Cleared up nicely. Everything's starting to really look good around here and coming into shape. Getting back inside to show you the router, and Har's in here working away. She's been working since she woke up. Finished her outside sweeping and cleaning. Now she's doing the inside. Having a good day?
Yeah.
All right. So for now, this is where we set the router temporarily. This is in our bedroom. And I thought I would have to get the Ethernet connection and add a separate router here at the house. But guys, I think I'm not gonna have to need that. Because with this set right here, the entire house is covered. We've got connectivity out to the solar system, and we've got connectivity out to the entertainment area. So the big TV will stream 4K outside. The smaller TV inside the living room is streaming 4K. All of our electronics is running off of this system. So I just don't think that I'm gonna have to add anything. I think that we're gonna get full coverage for our house with just the router that was supplied by Starlink. So time will tell on that, but I really think that that's going to be the case. All right, guys. It's like Red's here visiting. He comes and eats in the morning and the afternoons, but he's just relaxing here today. I moved my router over to this corner. I'm going to get a corner shelf built in here, which will house the router out here in this corner. It's well protected from the elements, and we're going to put a table out here anyway. This still gives me full coverage. And as you can see, I've had my line temporarily just run from upstairs to here. But inside this panel right here, they've already ran a open pipe with a fish wire to run that wire. So that is already set up for my cable. So I'll be running the router directly through that, and it'll go down and underneath this floor. And it comes all the way out here to the side. And I'll show you where that goes. To right here. So once they open that up, then I can put me something really nice that runs up through here and put this wire, or this also has a wire tube that goes up inside this wall to the ceiling above the drop ceiling in the room here. So I may do that and then run the figure out a way to run the cable up to the dish, which is up on the upper part once it's in its permanent location. So it's not in its permanent location, so temporarily we just got it run across the floor here, and that's fine. Nothing's gonna bother it there, and everything appears to be working really well with the system. So just wanted to let you know and show you how the Starlink is temporarily hooked up here at the house. All right, so I'm gonna have her film my speed test here. We're just gonna do a standard speed test the first time, and now I'm going to go to an advanced speed test, and you'll be able to see just how well this system does. So you can see on the router to internet side is working really well. 128 megabytes per second with the upload speed of it's fluctuating, but around 8 and 9. And then device router is all the way up to 235. This is a cloudy day, by the way. It's been raining, so we don't have perfect visibility there. And upload is tremendous. .426. So as you can see, this is really going to be an upgrade to our system, and I think we're going to be really happy with it.
Yes.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.